Hey, how's it going, everyone? My name is Ryan with Iowa Classic Cars, and we are taking the truck and trailer today on a nice Saturday in early March here in Iowa. We're going to get a 1968 Impala, 4-door hardtop with a 396 and a 12 bolt. So stick around, this is a good one. '68 Impala, 4-door hardtop. Hopefully the audio here, you guys, is pretty good. The tractor's running to possibly move this car if we need it. She's pretty beat up, but the cool thing it's got going for it, it's got a title. It's got a 396 big block Chevy, turbo 400, factory air conditioning, and a 12-bolt rear end. So this car actually sat in that barn over there for about 20-25 years, and they just drug it out of storage here last year. Original floor mats, black vinyl interior, factory AC in the dash. Car really is not that bad. You know, the door is pretty beat up. But other than the door, you know, being beat up right here, she's not bad at all. It's even got the original key. Motor spins over pretty nice and free. So we should be able to get this thing going. Sold brand new. There's stickers still on there. So it's manual windows. But again, here's the other side of the dash. The AC vents, steering wheel, got a clock in the dash, and an AM only radio, which is kind of goofy in 1968. It's also got the original service sticker. But yeah, this is a beautiful car. The accents here in the doors, the door handles. So yeah, this will be a fun one to load. So stay tuned. I can't show the entire car and not show the motor here. So original air cleaner with what's left of the sticker, air conditioner, the compressor, power steering, power brakes, big block 396. This will be a cool one to revive. So now stay tuned for the load. All right, everybody, so the first one today is home, the 1968 Impala. The motor's free. We're gonna try to get this thing going sometime this week. It's just beautiful out here today. But right now, you guys, this is the end of today's video. The next video you'll be seeing is of the second car we'll be picking up later today. I'm not gonna tell you guys what it is, but I hope you'll stay subscribed and stay tuned here for that coming video. But if you guys did enjoy the video of the rescue today, leave a thumbs up on the video, leave a comment with your favorite year of Impala, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Ryan with Iowa Classic Cars. We're off to get another one, and I'll catch you in the next video.